Here I have an HK USB CO2 that's made by EliteForce or Umarex now, and it has a slide problem. As you can see, the slide is not seated correctly, it's not lining up there, and if you try to load up the gun and shoot, it just won't work. So the problem lies inside the piston compartment of this pistol, and I will show you just how to fix it. Alright, so let's begin by disassembling the gun. Magazine out. Here is where the problem lies. As you can see there, this piston is not seated correctly. It should be all the way back. So to fix this problem, let's remove here. This block has a little spring right there and a blocker. When you tap it out, that spring will fly out that way, so you want to be careful and not lose them. I will be very carefully removing it with a finger holding the block itself and slightly tap it. It should fall right out, and it seems my spring is still in there, but the stopper has fell out. So this is the stopper or pin, don't lose it, and the block comes right out like that. We're done with the slide. Set that aside. As I said before, the spring is right there. You want to remove the pistol out of the way. Spring will fall right out. Don't lose that. This part you can leave, and we want to work with this part. Inside here there should be a plastic part and a spring. To get to those, you can use some small screwdriver. Push it in. These two parts will come out. So the spring should go over this plastic pin there, and you want to put it back inside and use something again to push it all the way down. Know whether you did it correctly. You can slide it back into the piston, and if this cube thingy is seated all the way back, then you will be good. So to put it back, take your little spring, hold on the right there, slide it down, take your slide, pop it right back in, take your stopper, put it to where the spring is, use the thin end, insert into the spring, and you want to push that down. And here, I'll do that, so you can no longer see the stopper, and it's secure like that. You should be good, and that should help return this piston back into where it is. Alright, so after you put everything back together, the gun has now lined up perfectly. It will function as it is intended. When you load in your magazine with CO2, and yeah, that's about it. I hope this has helped.